If you have ever been bothered by how your personal information is scattered in the papers and computer files you have all around your home and in your storage unit, it's time to come out of the dark and into the light. It's time to install StratoProof ID. In this video, we will show how simple the installation is. Installation is pretty much what you would expect. It's fast and easy. Just go to StratoProof.com. Click on the red free download button. Wait for the download to finish. Then open the installation program. Read the license. Accept the license. Click Next. Click Next again. Then click Install. Then click Finish. The application will be installed and it will be opened. You can find the icon on your desktop. Thanks for watching. Please visit StratoProof.com for more information. Links to other videos will be in the descriptions of this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.